Hey everyone, you've now made it to part 3 of the micro-credential course, and at this point, you should have already watched video 9 and 10, and you should have recorded your presentation either right in PowerPoint or in Microsoft Teams. So in order to submit your presentation to Blackboard here, we're gonna open up assignment number 3 here, the final project submission. We're gonna go to View Instructions, and if we scroll down to the bottom to where we usually put any submissions for our classes, you'll see towards the right here, we want to go to Insert Content and click the drop down. And we want to select Content Market here with the little shopping cart. When we click that, we'll see this pop up. We want to choose Yuja Media Chooser on the right-hand side. Then once it loads, you'll see Yuja here. We want to go to Upload Media here in the middle. And this is where we could upload our presentation. We can press Choose Media, and we'll go to wherever we have our presentation saved on our computer. We can double click it to add it, and it will take some time usually to upload. And while you wait for it to upload, we can put in our metadata, which is required to upload something through Yuja. We want to fill a few of these. So for title, I'm going to enter the title of your presentation. I know the one I did, it was flight data. And then you'll see author personal name. You want to put your own personal name. Put my name here. And then under your personal name, we're going to put our class name and our professor's name. So MGMT 2000 as an example with the professor's name. So now that we've typed in our metadata, we can click Save. And since we already chose our media, we can click Upload, and now it'll take some time to load. You just have to wait for it to do so. So now my video is uploaded to Yuja, and you'll see this is how it looks when it first uploads. It still says processing. However, when you see this screen like this and your video like this, it is ready to submit to Blackboard. We just click on the video here. Then towards the bottom right, you'll see Insert Content. We want to click on that. We want to give it a good name for the professor to see when they grade this. I'm just going to do Heinz flight data. Click Insert. And there you go. Usually video files like this take some time to load a preview for it, but when your screen looks like this, that means it is properly uploaded to Blackboard. And at this point, we can click Submit on the bottom right corner. So overall, that's how you upload your presentation that you have already recorded to Yuja to then be able to submit it to Blackboard for our micro-credential. Good luck and have fun.